Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the most detailed, unbiased reviews to help you make the best beauty decisions. Today, we're diving into a foundation that promises to deliver a luminous, dewy finish for all skin types. The TEMPTU S Silicone-Based Airbrush Foundation in the shade 012 Espresso. This foundation claims to provide long-wear coverage, from sheer to full, with a healthy, hydrated glow. So, does it live up to these big promises? Let's find out. TEMPTU is a well-known brand in the world of airbrush makeup, often seen in professional settings. The SB Silicone-Based Airbrush Foundation is designed for anyone looking for a customizable foundation that can go from light to full coverage, all while offering a beautiful, glowing finish. In terms of ingredients, this foundation uses a silicone base, which is known for its ability to create a smooth surface while maintaining hydration and a natural radiance. It's also available in several shades, including the deep, rich 0112 Espresso, which caters to deeper skin tones. When it comes to applying this foundation, it was surprisingly easy to incorporate into my routine. The liquid texture is lightweight and glides on effortlessly, creating a smooth canvas. For an airbrush foundation, the application felt quite user-friendly. No fancy tools required. I used my standard makeup sponge to blend it in, and it provided a seamless finish. The 0112 Espresso shade was a near-perfect match for my skin tone, giving it a natural sun-kissed glow without looking too heavy. What impressed me the most was the versatility of this product. The coverage can easily be built up from a light veil to a fuller coverage, depending on how much you apply. The finish, as promised, was luminous and dewy, which is perfect for anyone who loves that healthy, glowy look. Even after hours of wear, it didn't feel dry or cakey, and my skin still looked fresh and hydrated. In terms of longevity, it performed well, maintaining its radiant finish for several hours without needing a touch-up. However, it's not all perfect. While the finish is gorgeous, I did notice that the silicone base can feel a little heavy for those with oily skin, and it might require some setting powder to reduce shine throughout the day. Additionally, if you prefer a more matte look, this might not be your best match. Now, let's talk about value for money. At $45 for 1 ounce, this foundation falls on the higher end of the spectrum. However, considering its professional-grade formulation and the fact that it can be built up from sheer to full coverage, it does offer good value for those who appreciate a long-wearing, radiant finish. That being said, if you're someone who rarely needs full coverage or prefers a more matte base, there are more budget-friendly options out there that might suit your needs better. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for something that's a bit more wallet-friendly but still gives a similar dewy finish, I'd recommend checking out the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Foundation. It's a fraction of the price and still gives a beautiful glow, though it may not last as long as the TEMPTU foundation. On the high-end side, you could also look into the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, which offers a similar radiant finish, but with a different texture and feel. Build quality-wise, the packaging is sleek and practical, with the product coming in a compact 1-ounce bottle. I like that the silicone-based formula doesn't clog up the pump, ensuring consistent application. The foundation itself has a smooth texture, though I would be cautious about over-applying, as it can sometimes feel a bit thick if you layer too much. Regarding customer support, TEMPTU has a solid reputation for being responsive, particularly with their professional-grade products. They're known to provide excellent customer service, especially for makeup artists and beauty professionals. So, what's the final verdict on the TEMPTU SB Silicone-Based Airbrush Foundation? If you're someone who loves a glowing, healthy complexion and doesn't mind a bit of shine, this foundation is a great pick. It's a high-quality product that performs well in both professional and everyday settings, but the price may be a bit much for some. If you're willing to invest in it, you'll enjoy its radiant finish and buildable coverage. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this foundation, drop a comment below to share your thoughts. We'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.